Imagine driving your boss to meetings one morning and something just isn't right with your car. This is not how you wanted to start off your week. You give a call to your local repair facility and describe the issue. Not a problem, they say. Bring it in and we'll take a look right away. Upon arriving, the technician does a quick diagnostic scan on the car to pinpoint the issue. She doesn't have the part in the shop, but she can in about 30 minutes. True to her word, 30 minutes later, a van pulls up, drops off your part, and away they go to work on your car. Soon you're back on the road and one step closer to accomplishing your goals. This is the auto care industry, a $400 billion plus economic powerhouse with the mission of keeping America's vehicles on the road safer for longer. With an average of 5,000 industry jobs in virtually every role imaginable in your district, Auto Care provides jobs throughout the entire supply chain, from manufacturing to warehouse distribution to retail, corporate, and the repair shop. That's over 4.7 million jobs coast to coast, which is 3.2% of the total U.S. employment. Our industry keeps modern auto repair affordable and accessible, keeping vehicles on the road at the times when it matters most, such as during the pandemic. Our essential services enabled the trucking industry, public transportation, first responders, and other essential workers to transport supplies and support their communities during their times of need. We are in every single district, from rural to suburban and urban. I invite you to learn more about our impact by visiting one of your constituents in your district, a repair facility, a retail parts store, a parts warehouse, or a parts manufacturer that our team can set up for you.